These are called the tape extensions. This is one of the safest method of application. Usually for volume you would need around 5 to 10 pieces, and for volume and length maybe around 20 pieces. If you want very thick volume at the back, maybe around 20 to 25 pieces. These tape-in extensions, what you can see, the base would be around 1.75 inches wide. There is absolutely no glue, no heat involved, and the tapes which are used, these are medical grade tapes, so these are extremely safe and it's very easy to remove these extensions.